What's up, everyone? Superboy John coming at you. I added some lights to my Grom right here. Little headlights, I guess fog lights. They work really good. Here, let me fire it up for you. I'll show you guys what I did. Okay, so right here, the power that goes to the rear light right here, I stole the power from here, rewired it into some other wires for here. Goes to a switch right here. Boom, there you go. What I did was I designed a bracket right here to fit these fog lights. It goes into this side panel right here with a longer screw. So yep, that's the brackets I made. They're pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up. There's not much more to it. I mean, if you understand how fuses and 12-volt circuits work, you should be able to figure it out. What I did was I actually just right here I made a connector and I pushed it in this other connector. It's like a this is a regular 4-pin connector. And what I did was I just used these connectors, matched the connector up from here, and shoved it into there. I took the other one out, which was right here, and just jumped it. So I found the main power coming from this, which goes your tail lights and your blinker. You got to make sure, you got to figure out, because I took this whale tail off and stuff, dropped it, and then I found out that those right here just go to the blinkers that disconnect. So that's not going to work for me. So I came back to, I followed this line back, and it came to this like this connector right here, and I just jumped it out. It's like a small little push connector. So that's what I did, guys. Hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, if anyone wants any of these brackets, email me. I'll print some out for you. So yeah, that's what I did. Hope you enjoy it.